In this video, I will be showing you how to assign your stages, set up your temperature stages, and your humidity stages. Before you begin, please be sure to read your terms and conditions. So assigning of stages can be done for a given channel through Assign Stage button at the equipment settings, or directly through the staging line on the main menu. So the stage settings can be set for temperature stages and humidity stages. Note there are 8 temperature stages and 4 humidity stages. So to get to the assigned stages, what you want to do is go to the OK button and it'll take you to the main menu. And then we want to go under System Setup, number 3, hit OK. And then we want to go to Equipment Setup, OK. And let's just start off with channel 1 for the fan, OK. And then as you can see, we do have assigned stage. Just hit number 4. We're going to start off by assigning the temperature stages. This selection allows the user to set staging parameter on the current channel they are under. For the all equipment stages, this selection provides a table with each piece of equipment in the front column and each stage of heating and cooling across the top. It gives a quick overview of how all the equipment fit on the staging table. So for now, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and choose all equipment so you can see the breakdown of all the stages for each equipment that you are assigning. And then you hit 2, OK, to go there. So as you can see, we do have our fan channels for open and close. And then you have channel 3 and 4. And these are the rest of the channels that is assigned on this control panel. If it was a heater, then that's a different option where we will do an input on the heating 1 and 2 and just leave the cooling stages on 0. So when setting up your stages, all you have to do is use these arrows to guide you to go up, down, left, and right. So for the fan, what you want to do is you want to set up the cooling stages for how much percentages you want the vent to open and to close. Say if the temperature hits 80 degrees, you want to know how much you want the vent to open. If you want it to open 100%, when it hits 80 degrees, all you have to do is set all your cooling stages to 100%. If you want it to open up, say, the first cooling stage when it hits 80 degrees, you can have it to open up 25%. And then if it goes to 86 degrees on the cooling stage 2, you can have it open up 30%, so forth. So basically right now, so what we'll do is scroll down to cooling stage 1. And since we have our cooling stage set up at 78.1 degrees, I want my fan to go on and then go to the cooling stage number 2. And so you can do that for your fans. If you have vents on here, you could do that as well too. And you could also do you could check on the ones that you want for the other channels as well too. So to set up your humidity stages, just, if you are on the temperature stage menu, just hit the back button and then go to the humidity stages and hit OK. And then what we want to do is look at it from the fan stages. So I don't want to look at it this time at the all equipment, and just hit OK. So when you're on the humidity stage setup, you can use your stages to be set up as either open, close by percentages, or non-effective. You can use that also for the dehumidify for the heat and dehumidify for the cold, using your up and down arrows and left and right. And this is how you set up your stages for temperature and humidity.